Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could seriously boost your bank account. 7 easy side hustles to make $4,000 per day. That's right, $4,000 a day or $1.46 million a year. Whether you're looking to replace your day job or just want to add a little extra to your monthly income, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First up, we have blogging. This is one of my personal favorites because it's something I've done myself. I started my blog, WebMonkey, in 2018. In the first year, I made just $700, but fast forward a few years, and my blog made $92,000 last year. Here's how I did it. I picked a niche I loved, learned SEO basics, wrote long-form content, and monetized with ads and affiliate links. Blogging takes time, but the potential is huge. Imagine scaling to make $4,000 a day with multiple successful blogs and digital products. Next on the list is online freelancing. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistant work, freelancing offers endless opportunities. I started as a freelance writer, and within a year, I was matching my day job income. Eventually, I was making about $8,000 a month from freelancing alone. To hit $4,000 a day, you'd need to scale massively. Think building an agency or landing high-ticket clients. The key is to leverage platforms like Upwork and your personal network to find clients. Our third hustle is tapping into the gig economy. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart allow you to work on your own schedule and can pay pretty well. If you can average about $20 per hour, working 200 hours a month can net you that $4,000 goal. To reach $4,000 a day, you'd need to think big. Own a fleet of vehicles and hire drivers under you, creating a mini transportation empire. Number 4 is retail arbitrage. This involves buying products on sale and reselling them online for a profit. I know a couple who make $40,000 a month doing this on Amazon FBA. Start small, buy items on sale from stores like Walmart, and sell them on platforms like Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. To make $4,000 a day, you'd need to scale to a large operation, possibly managing multiple storefronts and sourcing inventory in bulk. Fifth, we have real estate rentals. This could mean buying rental properties, house hacking a duplex, or even using real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise. Real estate can provide steady passive income, and platforms like Fundrise let you start with just tenants. To make $4,000 a day, think larger, owning multiple high-rent properties or commercial real estate, or even managing a real estate investment trust, REIT. Speaking of passive income, number 6 is to create passive income streams. This could be from dividend stocks, renting out a spare room on Airbnb, or even starting a YouTube channel. For example, my YouTube channel now makes about $1,500 a month. It's all about setting up systems that earn money while you sleep. To hit $4,000 a day, you'd need multiple passive income streams performing exceptionally well, like significant investments in dividend-paying stocks or running several successful YouTube channels. Finally, let's talk about launching an e-commerce store. You can sell physical products, digital goods, or use print-on-demand services. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Selfie make it easy to start. My first attempt wasn't a huge success, but many sellers make thousands each month. To achieve $4,000 a day, you'd need a robust e-commerce operation with high-ticket items, a wide customer base, and possibly international sales. So there you have it. 7 side hustles to help you make $4,000 per day. Remember, start with small goals, play to your strengths, and don't be afraid to mix things up. The journey might be challenging, but the financial freedom is worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your hustling journey.